Maybe I will die, I will get arrested today. But anyway, we will try to fight here and don't let the police hit us again. Actually, I'm quite scared and nervous because the police is all around the university now, and they take control to the other areas protester, and they can't help us. But actually, today have lots of citizens came here to save us, but the police stopped them.
He went down to the